Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off subtitles on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website. Now from the homepage, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. After logging in using your email address and your password, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can start any movie or show that you wish. Once you simply click on the play button and start the show, if you go ahead and pause the show, then you will find the subtitles icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on this and this will open up the subtitles menu. Now if you wish to turn off the subtitles, you can simply click on the off option at the top section at the right side underneath subtitles. Once you choose off, this will turn off the subtitles on the show that you are currently watching. And now you can simply go back to enjoying your show and the subtitle will not appear anymore. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off subtitles on Disney+. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.